Are you tired of throwing away food because it goes bad too quickly? This compact vacuum sealer has been a game changer for keeping food fresh longer. And stick around until the end because I'll share one thing you should know before you buy it. I'm going to share some things that are hot about this vacuum sealer. 1. It keeps food fresh much longer. By removing the air in just 5 seconds, this vacuum sealer helps preserve the freshness of the meat, fruits, vegetables, cheese, leftovers, and dry goods, which means less food waste and more money saved. What's hot? It's super compact, less than the size of a water bottle. Unlike bulky countertop vacuum sealers, this one is about the size of a pepper grinder. It's lightweight, cordless, easy to store, and perfect for small kitchens, RVs, camping, or travel. What's hot? Everything you need is included, including the bags and charger. The kit comes with 30 reusable BPA-free vacuum bags, 15 small and 15 medium, 6 sealing clips, a detachable water tank, a USB-C charging cable, and the instruction manual so you can start sealing food right away. What's hot? It has smart features. I love the LED battery display so you always know how much charge is left, and the smart detachable water tank collects excess moisture when sealing wetter foods, making cleanup simple and helping protect the machine. What's not so hot? It uses these special vacuum bags. This handheld sealer is designed to work with reusable vacuum bags that have the built-in air valve, so it won't work with every type of food storage bag. The good news is it already includes 30 reusable bags, so it's not too bad, and you can wash these out and use them again. Overall, this is such a convenient way to keep food fresher longer without taking a bunch of counter space. It's easy to use, portable, rechargeable, and comes with everything you need to get started. If I can make one thing in your life easier today, let it be saving money on groceries and reducing food waste. Check it out. You'll be so glad you did.